There is not much record of Zamboanga churches, especially the local churches, how these were built for their communities, how their looks changed through time, how some have to rise again after being destroyed from wars. Despite the many Catholics that live in Zamboanga, recordings of Catholic churches are minimal, and it was justly so. The church, after all, was more of the people than it was a place of worship. The late Pope Francis tells us that Saint Ignatius calls the church as the people of God, pastors and people altogether. It is the totality of God's people. It makes sense for him to say that. It also made sense that the late Pope was also a Jesuit, which means a member of the religious order, the Society of Jesus, which Saint Ignatius founded. The reason I mention this is because Jesuit fathers formed many of the parish communities here in Zamboanga City, including the parish community of Santa Maria.
The parish started as a mission community of the Jesuits. They come here to celebrate the Mass, to celebrate the sacraments, but there's no church. No, there's no parish yet. The faith development of the church really was started by the Jesuits. Yung development, una yung mga tao, they formed they catechize, they evangelize the people. And when the people was ready, it was turned into a parish community, and it was administered by the Claretians. Then when it was also ready, it was turned over to the diocesan. In Mindanao, many of the churches are like that.
So, growing up tambien, if you experience namin yung old church sa parking lot, laki de grande population ng Santa Maria. So before, way back mga 1920s, 1950s, we called that chapel pa. So eventually, it became parish. They decided to cambia, man modern na design. So they decided to build another one to accommodate niya kayo na bigger. As tao tayo mo sa resulta na to uno na mga solemn, na uno na mga bale, iglesia, kina sa Sambuang.
The physical location of the church is, for me, very, very important. People would come from all directions, coming from the directions of Pasunangka, Bumaga, San Roque, no? They're all flocking here. It's because it's a center of the barangay. The church not only as the geographical center of the community, but it is also the spiritual center of the community. They treat the church as a place where they can ask for the intercession of the Blessed Mother, and also where they can encounter God.
Church symbolizes guidance and wisdom towards being a good person to ourselves and good to others. Pupunta talaga kami every Sunday sa church. Lumaki kasi ako talaga with the church. Santa Maria Parish Church feels like home.
The parish is just in front of the school. You would find students from the elementary school would take shelter here sa parish to take their lunch, to take their break. No, the guardians, the parents who are waiting for their children, they are staying here. On Sundays, you would find beggars coming asking for help. This building is a place considered by many as a place where they can take rest, a place where they can ask help. It's a place they can call home also.
Yes, nagse-celebrate kami ng fiesta ng Santa Maria. If parang available ang lahat, pupunta talaga kami para mag-attend ng Mass. Ang significance ng fiesta is to celebrate the patron saint ng church, as well as a reminder for those who are medyo nalalayo sila sa ways ng church. Isang way na din yun for bringing people into the church.
My previous assignment was Fort Pilar Shrine. For 3 years, I was involved in preparing for the Fiesta Pilar. Wider ang scope ng preparation ko, like the whole Zamboanga City. Eh, pag dito sa Fiesta sa parish, it's only for Santa Maria, no? So, pero it's the same process. You have to check all members are included. Like you have to invite the different basic ecclesial communities. You have to invite the business community nandito sa Santa Maria. We check for the security. No, we involve the barangay council, the police. No? The fiesta is celebrated. Almost all are involved.
When you hear Barangay Santa Maria among barangays here in Zamboanga City, it's one of the biggest in terms of land area, population, progressive, a little we can say na not so dirty, a green Santa Maria, which I'm very proud of. So SL Uno humble enough na un Santa Mareño iyo, akina Santa Maria, born and raised Santa Maria. Almost 80 to 90% are Christians, Catholics. Grabe, no? Able to attachment, closeness at the parish among community.
The church will always have an impact not only on the prayer life of the people, but in all aspects of the human life. No, you cannot say this part is only for the church, this part is for the ano. No, you cannot do that. You when you go to the church, you bring your whole self. People would comment, why is it that the church is meddling with this issue na hindi naman kailangan? No? Kailangan makialam ng church kasi part na yan ng human being. No? We do not only care for the human soul, but we care for the human body also. That is part of the mission of the church.
Ang nasa isip ko dati, pupunta ng church, makinig, or kung hindi ko gusto makinig, maglaro sa labas. Now reaching into adulthood, so parang na-appreciate ko na din kung ano yung mga lessons na nakukuha ko every time na mag-attend ng Mass.
This church is very important and very significant in my life because it is here that I serve as a Christian. I was able to see part of the reality of priestly life. That's why I wanted to become a priest. No? My vocation story has a big part connected with Santa Maria Parish. For the future generation, I want them to take care of the parish, not just because it is important for me, but I am only one of the many persons who was a significant part of their life na connected sa parish. You take care of the church because the church is not just a place where you pray, but it is a place where people's lives are changed, are given direction, no, are molded. Na this church help us, no, to arrive where we are right now.
Huwag natin kalimutan si God sa life natin kasi syempre tayo, tao lang din tayo, so nagkakamali or meron tayong hindi maganda na nagagawa. Through the church or through God na nagiging bagong tao tayo, binibigyan tayo ng chance to be better people for ourselves as well as for others, especially sa ating mga family, friends, and loved ones.